It's a strapless. Yeah, and then she has these really pretty blue wings. Yeah. They're like big, like so little. Very nice, I know. Come on.
No. Want me to see?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want him to see the tiniest too.
Be careful. Hold on so tight.
Wow.
It's beautiful, right?
Very nice.
It's really
and
clean.
here's the special case we made for it.
And you know what? Like last time,
Take my tooth.
It had cookie in it because I was eating a cookie.
Yeah.
And then when she had to travel, she had cookie to eat it.
Ooh, I'm gonna steal it.
I know I want to.
Okay, give it a lick. Let's go. All right. I love you.
I love you.
Okay.
I love you, Mommy. I love you.
I love you. I love you.
Good night. I love you guys.
How cute are they? I think it's safe now, though. I think they're sleeping.
Oh, they're definitely sleeping.
Yeah. How did she get me to give her $2?
The economy's pretty good.
Oh my God. Dennis. Dennis. It's not even.
Just leave it.
Where'd it go? Where did it go?
Katie,
I looked.
Maybe Katie did.
Why would she do that? That doesn't make any sense. I looked under the bed. I looked in all the cupboards.
She did something. She probably moved
Maybe
around
it's-
while she was sleeping.
Yeah, she probably kicked it off or something, right? Right.
Hmm.
That was fun.
How many hours of